In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best component speakers. So let's get started. Number 7. CT Sound Strato Pro Audio. Now for a slightly lower priced set which sit just comfortably over the $100 mark and come as a set with absolutely everything you need for a hassle-free installation. The package features dual 6.5-inch mid-range drivers with woofer grills for better audio dispersion, teamed with a pair of high-output aluminum silk dome tweeters which measure 25 millimeters, a little larger than some, for effectively coping with the higher frequency responses remarkably well. The mid-range drivers are paper-coned and nestled in a cloth-edge surround to help dampen any unwanted resonance. They employ a one-voice coil and a high-quality Y30 ferrite magnet. Number 6. Rockford Fosgate T1650S. We are no strangers to a set of Rockford Fosgate. We have in fact reviewed our fair share of coaxial sets in the past from their acclaimed Power series. This superb set of component speakers can actually deliver higher output capabilities than others which match their dimensions. They feature a vertical attach surround technique, or developed by the folks at Fosgate, which makes them much more efficient and also allows for better response and audio dispersion. The new surround actually gives the woofer an extra 25% area to radiate, making it 6.75 inches, the same size including the surround as a typical 6.5. In addition, they have a new flex fit basket, which mounts more easily and securely into a OEM opening. Number 5. Infiniti Reference 6500CX. If you are after a high-output set of component speakers for your car, you might find yourself enticed by this next set from Infiniti's Reference series. They top the Primus set we reviewed previously, with a peak power handling of 540 watts per pair, a whopping 270 each. They are very competitively priced at around $100, but you get a lot for your cash. For starters, 6.5-inch rigid woofers with high-grade rubber surround to keep unwanted resonances from canceling the audio waves and causing distortion or muffling, and 2 removable grills. 2 x 3/4-inch patented uni-pivot tweeters, which come with pivoting tweeter mounts, and 2 alternate tweeter flush mounts, which can be customized. Having them pivot means the sound is better dispersed and high-frequency audio is ultimately clearer. Number 4. Infiniti Kappa 60.11CS. Last on our radar today is another Infiniti set, which bring the same high output peaks per pair of 540 watts as the reference set we reviewed. In direct comparison to one another, this set has a slightly higher price tag, but that really is to be expected given that the quality of the parts used and the crossover circuitry has seen an overhaul, meaning it is essentially an upgraded model. They are similarly built in terms of cone composition and driver design, but the crossover box on this pair is far superior and expertly engineered from premium parts. Number 3. JBL GTO609C. We open with a premium pair from JBL's fantastic high-fidelity GTO series, which is one of their most innovative lines. They feature large carbon-injected cones, designed with +1 technology, which give them a greater surface area. They displace much more air than other 6.5-inch speakers in their class. This gives them superior bass handling abilities. They are equipped with JBL's patented uni-pivot tweeters, enabling users to direct the sound to where it is wanted. The components used are high quality and well made. They mount effortlessly with a mounting cutout diameter of 5 and 1/16 inches and a mounting depth of 2 inches. They are priced accessibly low, well below the $100 mark, making them a very affordable option. Number 2. JL Audio C2-650. This next set of component speakers from JL Audio are another traditional woofer/tweeter combo, which have an advanced adjustable crossover. The crossover has 3 separate positional tweeter levels each to sculpt the overall audio. The woofer features a mica-filled polypropylene cone cushioned in a butyl surround. The tweeters are 3/4 in diameter and silk-domed. Each of the drivers have a tiny one-voice coil and a symmetrical roll spider incorporated into their design. They have a pretty impressive peak power of 200 watts per pair and a root mean square power of 60 watts each. They match the frequency response of the pair above. This set is priced more or less where we would expect, given the better quality components used within its fabrication, its power handling, and their fully adjustable crossover. Number 1. Alpine SPR60C. For our best pick for component speakers, we found the Alpine SPR60C produces the clearest audio and will blow your socks off with its volume. Well, they may not be capable of that, but they still put out great sound quality without having to purchase an amp. A great addition to these speakers is the multi-layer hybrid fiber woofers that provide an excellent amount of bass tones. The noise reverberates through the car and can make it feel as if you are at a live concert. To complement the undertones of the woofer, the tweeters are designed with silk to produce smoother higher frequencies. They also come with an EQ ring in front of them to help disperse the higher ranged pitches around your car.